Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a quick video. There are people who tell me that the vehicle loses some oil. They notice oil from the vacuum pump, from the bottom, and they ask me to see if the vacuum pump is ineffective or does not work properly due to this loss of oil. Let's see. Where it loses the oil is through this rubber. This is a ring, this is a sealing ring. This rubber here is which is called a sealing ring. If you are going to change it first, always put an original one. You will find all kinds out there, of all prices too. But if it is very fine, you put it and it will throw all the oil, okay? And if you put a very thick one, because it will not fit well, it will twist and will continue to drain oil. Put the original one. When you put the original one on the vehicle, make sure you always wet your finger with motor oil and you walk around. You will see how it goes to enter much smoother and it will enter better. Well, I hope this video has you clarified any doubts, and well, if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.